Hey everyone! Welcome back to Megaminfos, where we take a journey through time to uncover the most fascinating events from history. You won't believe what happened on this very day.
On 28 February, several significant events have occurred in Tamil Nadu, India, and around the world. Tamil Nadu, Annie Besant's contribution to education. Annie Besant, a prominent British socialist and women's rights activist, played a pivotal role in popularizing the Theosophical Society, headquartered in present-day Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Her efforts significantly influenced educational reforms and the promotion of Indian self-rule. Amrit Mahotsav, 1914 bombardment of Madras. During World War I, the German light cruiser SMS Emden bombarded Madras, now Chennai, on 22 September 1914, causing minor damage to all tanks and creating panic among residents. Wikipedia. India, National Science Day, celebrated annually on 28 February. National Science Day commemorates the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on this day in 1928. This groundbreaking discovery earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. Wikipedia. 1896 birth of Morarji Desai, Morarji Ranchhodji Desai, born on 28 February 1896, was an Indian independence activist and the fourth Prime Minister of India, serving from 1977 to 1979. Observer Voice. 1936 death of Kamala Nehru. Kamala Nehru, a prominent freedom fighter and wife of Jawaharlal Nehru, passed away on 28 February 1936. She was actively involved in the Indian independence movement. Observer Voice. 1963 death of Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India, passed away on 28 February 1963. He was a key figure in the Indian independence movement and played a crucial role in shaping the nation's post-independence governance. Observer Voice. 1969 birth of Uppalappu Srinivas. Renowned mandolin maestro Uppalappu Srinivas was born on 28 February 1969. He is celebrated for bringing the mandolin into Indian classical music. Observer Voice. World. 1883 First Vaudeville Theatre opens. The first vaudeville theatre opened on 28 February 1883. Introducing a new genre of variety entertainment that became popular in the United States and Canada. Kids Connect. 1935 Discovery of nylon. On 28 February 1935, chemist Wallace Carothers first produced nylon at the DuPont Experimental Station in Wilmington, Delaware, marking a significant advancement in synthetic fibers. Kids Connect. 1953 Discovery of DNA's double helix structure. On 28 February 1953, scientists James D. Watson and Francis H.C. Crick announced their discovery of the double helix structure of DNA, a milestone in the field of genetics. Associated Press. 1986 Assassination of Swedish Prime Minister Olof Palme. Swedish Prime Minister Olof Palme was assassinated on this day in 1986 while walking home from a cinema in Stockholm. His murder remains unsolved. Time and date. 2013 Resignation of Pope Benedict XVI. Pope Benedict XVI resigned on 28 February 2013, becoming the first pope to do so since Gregory XII in 1415. Encyclopedia Britannica. These events highlight the diverse historical significance of 28 February across different regions and contexts.